Hey guys, what's up? Jay with Liberty Ring Creations. Today we're going to do some pretty exciting stuff. We're finally going to make stuff with the burl that we harvested. Producer Matt wanted a ring, so we're going to make that happen today. We're going to do some burl and copper. Looking forward to this. It's going to be a lot of fun. So without further ado, guys, let's get to it. So we start by cutting the blank. Then we'll bring it over to the lathe and bore it out. These cherry burls seem pretty easy to work with. I think that the burl lended some extra hardness to the wood that made it easier to turn. Now I'm going to start squaring up the face of the ring. When I'm turning this down, I'm going to leave some of the burl on the left side. That's the burl that I want showing when the ring's complete. Here's the coin we used. It's a Standing Liberty half-ounce copper round. First, we have to anneal it to soften the copper. Makes it a lot easier to work with. Punch out the center. We'll anneal it again. Want to make this nice and malleable, easy to work with. Begin the folding. Since this is a private minted coin, not a US coin, I wanted to keep the Standing Liberty on the outside. Anneal again. I'm going to start to stretch the ring, but I don't want to risk ripping it, so we want it to be nice and malleable. Trying to deburr some of the inside, the reeded edge of the ring. I have to sand and polish the wood before I attach the ring to it because I don't want to sand once the ring is attached to the wood. And now we're getting ready to marry the two, the ring and the wood. We still have a lot of sanding to do on the inside. I put black tape around the ring because I'm going to be running it in the lathe for the inner sanding, and I don't want to mar up the outside of the coin. So I'll run it in the lathe here to size it and then do the final sanding. I think I did 6 coats of CA glue and then polish it with sanding all the way up to a 12,000 grit for a super high sheen. I've patinaed the ring, and now I'm just going to polish around the reeded edge, give it a little more depth. Trying to buff on the patina here a little bit, bring out some more of the detail on the coin. All right, guys, well, we were able to make a ring for producer Matt. He loves it. The wood in this ring is absolutely stunning. Took a 1/2 ounce copper round. It's a Standing Liberty design. This ring came out gorgeous, and we will take some shots outside in the sunlight. We've had sun for the first time in who knows how long. So we'll get some close-up shots of it as well. But there you go. We were able to use some burl and make a pretty cool ring. Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that ringy bell. And check out our Patreon. The link is below in the description. Check out our Etsy store. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Till next time. Later, guys. Be well.